Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the tail tidy that is installed on my bike. To give you a background, I took the delivery of this bike 6 months ago, and since then I did not remove the rear fender, and on top of that I installed a rear tire hugger because I ride 80 kilometers to office every day on this motorcycle, and because it was rainy season for the last 4 months, and if it is a rainy ride to office it becomes really difficult the time when I reach to office, and if I don't have a tire hugger, all my entire bag gets dirty and I cannot work in that condition. That's the reason why I was not removing the tire hugger. I know a lot of you have commented in my previous videos that the tire hugger looks really ugly. Why don't I go ahead and remove that? The simple reason was it was more about the function than the form. Now that the October month has ended and the rainy season has ended here in Hyderabad, so I thought of installing the tail tidy, and you can see the tail tidy. It is from a company known as SKYDD. It's a Bangalore based manufacturer, and I got this installed from a store known as One Down Five Up. So this store is situated in Hyderabad, and the owner's name is Rishi. Even he is a bike enthusiast. I know him personally, and he helped me install this particular tail tidy. It is available in his store, and I will put the link in the description section down below so that if you want to purchase this tail tidy, you can directly contact him through the Google Maps link that I'm providing. And also, this tail tidy, it costed me around 1200 rupees with 200 rupees of labor charge for the fitting. So totally I had to pay just 1400 rupees, and it does the job really well. It looks so premium, and you don't have to shell out a lot of money in order to have a super bike look. Let me know, how does this tail tidy look like to me? Now this bike looks like a proper sports machine, and it is a proper track weapon. Now that the rear fender is removed, and also I wanted to tell you that there was no tampering with the wire that was involved when this tail tidy was getting installed. So while this tail tidy was getting installed, they just had to pull the extra wire that was there for the indicator, and they had to open the rear seat and the grab rail in order to install it, and it was a direct fitment. And the rear fender, I haven't thrown it, it is kept with me. So after next 8 to 9 months, when the next year's rainy season hits, I will have to install it again. So this is for the next 8 to 9 months till the time the rains are not there. After that I will again switch back to the stock fender. Now you will not find that ugly tire hugger on my motorcycle. I know you guys have been hating that a lot, but to me it is more for the function than the form, so I had to keep it. But now that the tail tidy is there, you guys are gonna love the content that I'm going to make about my RS457. So yeah, that's what I wanted to let you know about the tail tidy installation. And the indicators are stock. The number plate is the same. I have just added a number plate protector. It was there in the initial fender also, but it really looks cool with this particular setup. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you feel about the new tail tidy? When you guys comment, I get to know your thought process. If you don't comment, you get to know my thought process through my video, but don't get to know your thought process. That's why I always say it is very important to comment on the videos. Don't just leave after watching the videos. And also, many of the folks are watching the videos but not subscribing the channel. It is free for you, but it definitely helps me a lot. Consider hitting that subscribe button, and also hit the like icon if you have gained some knowledge about this particular tail tidy. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.